everybody. No talking while the program's on.
Just grab a leechy nut and comb your bean, and that's leechy nut. The leechy nut.
Thank you all. Very grateful. Grateful to us, the birds, for practically stealing our song. What do you
Remember that horrible song, The Coconut? Today, Denny Kangaroo sings his own version on the Linus the Lionhearted show.
Roar, 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 Linus the Lionhearted. Linus is the one who lines up the fun. He's the host of which we boast. So roar, 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 Linus the king, Linus the star, Linus the Lionhearted.
Linus, I made that picnic sign you wanted.
Good, tack it up on a tree.
Right now, Governor. Holy smokes, Linus. That tree just hit me.
Nonsense. Do not say ridiculous things. Here. Okay, you asked for it.
Fate, start hooking.
Remember Billy and the Mockingbird and Sasha Grouse started a singing group called the Birds. And all of a sudden, everybody was doing that song, The Coconut. You couldn't escape it.
Now the jungle is a real green scene. Now the jungle is a real green scene. And if you really want to cut your deed,
The Birds signed autographs. They had their pictures taken for the newspapers. Well, they're making another personal appearance over there, but something funny has happened. Let's take a look. See? Same music, same song, but suddenly, for some reason, no audience.
What's the matter with this nightclub? It's depressing. They must not have told people that the bird's gonna be here. Come on, let's blow this joint.
and if you really want to know what's what,
What's that? It's coming from the safari room. Let's go look. All right now, quiet down. Maybe I'll sing you one more chorus of my famous lychee nut song. Lychee nut song?
now the jungle is a real hot spot. Now the jungle is a real hot spot. And if you really want to know what's what, and if you really want to know what's what, here's what you do. You do the lychee nut. Whoa, whoa, the lychee nut. Whoa. This is the sound that's made the scene. Just grab a lychee nut and conk your bean, and that's lychee nut.
Thank you all. Very grateful. Grateful to us, the birds, for practically stealing our song. What do you mean, practically stealing your song? Us birds are the most famous singing group in the jungle.
Singing groups are terrible. One singer at a time is plenty.
Let's leave. Bunch of goofs. Our song is terrible. Denny Kangaroo's lychee nut song is good, ridiculous.
Come on, we're all going over to the swamp room to hear the worms.
Who are the worms? What about Denny Kangaroo?
He's only one singer. This is 3 singers. It's the latest thing.
Those worms are great. Hey, look at
Now the jungle is a real dark part, and if you really want to strike a spark, and if you really want to strike a spark, here's what you do, what you do. Here's what you do, what you do. You do the coconut, whoa, the coconut, whoa. This is the song that's making the scene. Just grab a coconut and cause your beat, and that's a coconut.
More classic cartoons will continue in a moment.
We've gone too far to turn back now.
My paycheck was just deposited into my Greenlight account.
Greenlight is so convenient. You know, we had to use a vacuum tube.
Where is it going?
Bring your family into the financial future.
We're back with more classic cartoons, starting right now.
Exactly as I planned it.
Remember that peculiar tree? Well, he's gaining on us. Quick, grab those coconuts.
He's throwing enormous sticky fuzzy doodles at us. Look, one stuck on me act.
And one on my mane.
Ow, ow. Think of something, Governor.
I'm trying, but I can't.
Sugar's tune, Big Benji. Twinkles the toesies, makes anyone who hears it start dancing, whether they want to or not.
Says you. I don't believe it.
Very well, to demonstrate. Ba-bum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Sugar's tune is so entrancing, it results in instant dancing. Sugar's tune so suits your prancing fancy that there's no perchance. You just gotta dance.
Gotta dance, eh? That crooning fleabag has played right into my oily hands. May I? As you may guess, I have a scheme, and that scheme is sure a dream. My scheme will have you shortly screaming. It's a brilliant plan by that Mervyn man. Sweet William. On the earmuffs. Sick 'em. No. See you at my place, gang.
Besides a fiend, you're a spoil sport.
This record here will keep you busy, will keep you dancing till you're dizzy, till you fry in the sizzling, grisly snare to a cinder bear.
Using a man's own song against him, how low can you stoop?
You are now in a minefield.
Minefield?
So, yes, dance.
Help, Sugar Bear!
Our peril is mental, immortal.
Seems like I'm in quite the pickle. The chances aren't worth quite a nickel. How can I escape this particular doom? On Granny's broom.
Help!
Sugar plum! Alien bear!
Courage, kids. Sugar's coming for his customary rescue.
Keep it up, you're dancing behind. He's
stepped on a landmine. But lucky you, that mine was tiny.
Tiny?
There are big ones there that'll part your hair.
Gonna pass the buck to the Mervyn clock.
Clock, eh? Second. Bungled it again. I'll see you served with cranberry sauce.
Now for a change of musical pace, a lovely ballad that always rates Big Knot on the Heart Parade. The next dance is Mind.
No, he wouldn't. He couldn't. He can't. He can't!
You saved us from Mervyn's trickery.
And from his minefield terpsichore.
When it comes to trickery, Merv is hick stuff.
Hickory dickory dock. You clean Mervyn's clock.
Hickory dickory duck.
Hickory dickory duck.
You sure fixed that click. I meant to say cluck.
Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after these messages.
That's our cue to scram. Let's go.
Casper, the friendly ghost, the friendliest ghost you know.
Casper and Company.
The friendliest ghost you see.
Weekdays at 10, 9 Central on MeTV Tunes.
What do I see? A TV.
MeTV Tunes presents...
Welcome to Jellystone Park, folks.
Who is always on the spot? Who is Yogi Bear? Who keeps cool when things are hot? Who does Yogi Bear?
Who is on MeTV Tunes?
Yogi Bear, your video star is here. Yay.
Laugh along with Yogi.
Yuck, 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 yuck.
Weeknights at 6, 5 Central.
I never miss a Yogi cartoon.
On MeTV Tunes.
Wait for boo-boo.
Look closely at history in the making. This $50 Buffalo gold piece was the purest gold coin ever struck by the U.S. government. It was the first U.S. coin ever struck using .9999, that's 4 nines, pure 24-karat gold. Its design was based on the famous Buffalo nickel of 1913 to 38. Wildly popular with investors and collectors, the U.S. government had to stop production because of a shortage of specially made gold blanks. It's no wonder the price of that edition has gone through the roof. Now you can reserve your own tribute to the $50 gold buffalo clad in 14 milligrams of 24-karat gold. National Collectors Mint's private non-monetary minting recreates James Earl Fraser's American buffalo against a mirror-like background on one side, and his iconic Native American Indian head stands out in stunning relief on the other. The final issue price was to be set at $50 per proof, but during our special release, this 24-karat gold-clad masterpiece can be yours for only $9.95. With gold prices up over 600% since 2004, price can only be guaranteed for 7 days. Each new 2025 $50 Gold Buffalo Tribute Proof order comes individually numbered with a certificate of authenticity verifying that each piece is clad in 14 milligrams of 24-karat gold, is proof struck, and is based on the famous design of James Earl Fraser's Buffalo nickel. There is a strict limit of 5 proofs per caller. Distribution will take place in registration number order. Earliest reservations receive the lowest registration numbers, so you must hurry. Avoid disappointment and future regret. Call now.
To order the 2025 $50 Gold Buffalo Tribute Proof, call 1-800-709-2619. That's 1-800-709-2619. There's a strict limit of 5 proofs per caller, so don't delay. Call 1-800-709-2619. That's 1-800-709-2619.
Attention timeshare owners. We're offering you a way to legally get rid of your timeshare. So call right now to qualify and receive a free consultation. You can terminate your timeshare legally and permanently. Call the number on your screen today.
Shift into high gear with Speed Racer.
Glad to see you.
Weeknights at 12:30 a.m., 11:30 Central on MeTV Tunes. We're back with more classic cartoons starting right now.
That peculiar tree is still after us, and we're still running.
Wait, this rubber plank gives me an idea. Come and get me if you can.
You're a bloomin' genius, you bloke ship. That'll teach him to mess around with King Linus. He's knocked out cold.
Good, let's go.
Linus, help. He's got me.
Well, if you can't see down there, fly up and get a good look. It's worth it. Hello? What's that? A flying dog. Make me a millionaire. In you go, stupid. Look, Bertie, those are real elephants. Where are you? Golly, I sure do miss Bertie. I wonder why he flew away from me like that. Hey, wait a minute. See the amazing flying dog at Nearly Brothers Circus. I should have known. And now, the stellar attraction of our show. The amazing flying dog. Fly, you idiot. Believe me, he can fly. I said fly. That's enough. The rope, it's been cut. That's right, and by me, too. Stop me! Arrest that man. Go, Bertie, and fire! Come here, you. Hey! When I get you alone, you'll what? Bertie, I don't like Richard Harry nearly any more than you do. We can't let him kill himself in a fall like that. Try to help him. Don't bother me now, you mangy creep. Play me for a fool, will you? Hey, you darn fool! Thank you very much. Their cheers will turn to jeers when I get through with him. Richard Harry Nearly, you better not touch that rope. Really? Ta-da! Hey, you better let Bertie out of that net. Really? Then you'd better make me. All right, I will. You'll get a bang out of this, Richard Harry Nearly.
Thank you very much. I was sitting in the audience and I saw the whole silly thing. You're gonna get another medal, lovable truly, you great guy, you.
Thank you, but Bertie and I are more interested in seeing Richard Harry Nearly end up behind bars. I am behind bars. Or are you too dull-witted to notice?
I'll be right back, kitty dear.
We'll be right back with more classic cartoons after the break.
For every super friend, there's a super foe.
Your time has come, Man of Steel.
With our greatest enemies, they go toe to toe.
Whoever we're dealing with has a diabolically clever mind.
Your weaknesses, they will know.
You are all super weaklings.
And watch out when things turn bizarro.
Me crush Superman.
Super Friends, weekdays at 3, 2 Central. And Saturdays at 1 noon Central.
Amazing.
On MeTV Tunes.
Say hello to MeTV Tunes.
Hello.
Hello.
Howdy, folks.
Come on, dudes. A one-stop animation shop of TV's most memorable cartoon characters.
Wowzers.
I must be dreaming.
All day, every day.
Duck season! Duck season!
Any season.
See how conveniently everything's working out?
It's all tunes all the time.
Wow!
On MeTV Tunes.
It's showtime.
How does Greenlight make a difference in our lives?
How much time do you have?
The kids negotiated a higher allowance if they took on more chores.
Split between you two?
Each.
Greenlight has been a really good light bulb moment for the kids in helping them understand wants versus needs.
I only buy what I need and only if I have enough money.
It has given them a financial literacy that we never had. Austin's been saving up for computer parts.
We also recently learned about police alerts. Greenlight has totally changed the way we operate as a family.
Stop sign.
I'd like to say this is the first time, but there have been others.
How many?
Who can keep track?
You think this is a joke?
Darling, we need answers, and you're gonna give them to us.
Tell us again.
My car broke down. I brought it here.
I got stuck paying an expensive repair bill.
So it's true.
How much, darling?
$2,300. But
$2,300.
Well, what was I supposed to do? My transmission was shot.
You pick up your phone and you call CarShield before the car breaks down.
Plans through CarShield cover up to 5,000 parts and systems in your car.
That's right. A plan through CarShield could save you on some criminally high auto repairs, especially if your car is out of warranty. So, call CarShield, America's #1 auto protection company, before a breakdown and save yourself from getting stuck in car repair jail.
Let me guess. You hate saving money.
Who hates saving money?
Apparently you do.
All you had to do was call CarShield. And you could have protected yourself against expensive repairs.
Yeah, and then my price will go up.
The price locked in.
For as long as you cover your car.
I guess I should have called CarShield.
It's about time you said something that made sense.
Now you know what you need to do next time.
Bet he'll call CarShield now.
So can I go? Or...
CarShield has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and was voted America's most trusted auto protection company. Don't get handcuffed paying expensive auto repairs. Call now and get the CarShield guarantee. Your price will never go up and your coverage will never go down as long as you cover your car. In just minutes, you could have a plan that covers up to 5,000 parts and systems in your car. Don't wait until it's too late. Get CarShield's best coverage yet. Call 800-945-1816.
Look, it's Ben on TV.
Meet George Jetson.
Hello, George.
His boy, Elroy.
He's on TV.
Daughter, Judy.
What a performance.
But what about my wife? Jane, his wife.
It's your dream girl walking.
A typical American-type TV family.
The Jetsons, weekdays at 5/4 Central on MeTV Tunes. We now return to more classic cartoons on MeTV Tunes.
That troublemaking tree has grabbed any kangaroo.
No, don't eat me. Kangaroos are sour. Ask anyone. Hold them down for the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7. Right to 10.
Nobody out-wrestles me.
Greetings, children friends. Today we have story of
The Fisherman and the Wishes. See Fisherman? Fisherman very poor, but one day he make rich catch.
Oh, boy. I get nickel for this bottle. And throw away fortune in fish. No wonder you poor.
But when fisherman pull cork from bottle, smoke come out.
Smoke make big cloud. Then suddenly Fisherman hear voice in smoke.
Talking smoke?
I, Magic Genie. I held prisoner in battle for 1,000 years.
Battle 1,000 years old? Maybe I only get 2 pennies.
And because you free me, hold breath now. I grant you anything you wish.
No thanks.
No thanks?
Already got the bottle. It worth at least 2 pennies, maybe even nickel. What else could I want?
What else? Poof. This else. Some smart little water buggy, hey?
Too high to fish from. Give back rowboat.
Fisherman explain to Genie his simple soul with simple wants.
Ah, then how about a simple poof? Palace. Some shack, eh? Too big. Probably drafty.
While Fisherman go to get money for bottle, Genie keep offering wishes.
Please, you must wish for something, anything. Anything? Then I wish for jelly sandwich.
You can wish for anything and you ask for jelly sandwich?
I hungry.
Fisherman eat sandwich, thank Genie, and go to get deposit money back from bottle. Genie not go because he mad at Fisherman for only wishing for jelly sandwich. Genie call after Fisherman.
In all my centuries, that the most humiliating, least imaginative, smallest time wish I ever had wished.
Well, where your big deposit money? Storekeeper say, no deposit on that bottle. Then he get mad at me and say, we no need all bottles in this store. Get lost. He not give me nickel. He not even give me 2 pennies.
Why you not wish for money?
I not think of that. Okay. I wish for nickel.
Nickel indeed. I talking big money.
Where you get this money?
I make it. You wish, I make it myself. That's how genies always work.
Then this not real money. It counterfeit.
But you not understand.
I understand, you big crook. You make counterfeit money. I wish I never let you out of bottle. You wish? No, please. Unwish. Unwish quick. Change mind. Help me. Help me. Help me. I make that wish by mistake, but now I not change mind. You crook. You stay in bottle. Stay.
Moral of story, honorable children friends? Time spent wishing for happiness, not worth 2 cents.
That lie! Give me fair chance and I show you so!
Remember that blooming tree was giving King Linus the airplane spin? Well, he's still spinning. Hey, you big ugly bloke, you put King Linus down.
Okay.
Quick, give me a match. Thanks.
Stay in the water until that fire is completely out.
That's right, Linus doesn't want his kingdom burning up because of your carelessness.
Right, and you kids, you do what you can to prevent forest fires. See you all next week.
And be prompt, too. You might miss something terrific. You might not, too.
Hey, get it. Listen to this.
Me TV Tunes is your home for Scoob.